Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Miscellaneous Exercises Part 4. This video is a continuation of previous videos where it gives us an opportunity to revise all the topics we've studied. And here is the first slide. You can pause it for as long as you like. You can answer the questions on a piece of paper or anywhere else, and the answers are at the end to see how you went. You can check how you went. I'll just pause this for 10 or 15 seconds. And this is slide number 2. And this is slide number 3, and the answers begin on the next slide. Remember, pause the video at any time for as long as you want to give you a chance to do the answers. This is the first slide with the answers. Slide number 2 with the answers. And this is the last slide with the answers.